Hello everyone. Hope you all are staying safe and taking care of yourself. In today's video, we'll be talking about riders. I'll be giving you a deep insight into various types of riders, their cost angles and their benefits.
So let us first look at what riders are. Riders are basically additional benefits that we can add to our existing life insurance plan. They offer a cover that is over the basic sum that you are insured for. It commonly adds 5 to 10% above the normal policy premium. However, the cost of each rider will vary from policy to policy and person to person.
All insurance riders qualify for a tax benefit under Section 80C, subject to an overall limit of Rs 1.5 lakh. Riders can be added to all types of insurance policies, be it whole life, endowment, money back, or even ULIPs. Though you can add a rider at any time of the policy, but it is wise to opt for one while buying the main policy. So there are 5 different types of insurance riders that you can avail. Number 1 is your critical illness rider. Number 2 is your disability rider. Number 3 is accidental death benefit rider. Number 4 is waiver of premium. And the last one is guaranteed insurability.
So let's talk about the critical illness rider first. This one can be availed if the policy holder has been diagnosed with a critical and chronic illness. Riders for different insurances cover different illnesses. Upon usage, the rider will end and the life insurance will continue as usual. It is very beneficial to have this rider and avoid stress over these expensive medical procedures. Then we have the disability rider, which, as the name suggests, will cover the policyholder in case of a permanent disability. One may get a certain amount of income from this rider, which will be a lump sum amount spread out over monthly installments. Next one is accidental death benefit rider. This rider will ensure benefits if the policyholder is in an accident that leads to death. The benefit is paid to your beneficiary over and above the basic life plan cover. The next one is waiver of premium rider. With this one, the policyholder or his family does not have to pay any more premiums in case of an accident or illness if he dies or loses income. The last one is guaranteed insurability. This rider allows the insured to purchase additional amounts of insurance at specific ages without requiring proof of insurability. That is, without needing to take a physical examination. This rider is useful if you need to buy additional insurance to keep pace with changing life circumstances, such as when you get married or have children.
It is very important to carefully examine the terms and conditions of a rider before buying them. Having said that, these riders are very useful if you want to tailor-make your insurance policy. Also, it eliminates the financial stresses that comes along with unforeseen circumstances in life like illness and death. So we urge you to have a second look at your existing policies and contact us anytime if you want to know more about how you can make them more beneficial for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy investing. To keep your financial health sound, don't miss to subscribe to our channel Investoscope Financials and click the bell icon for regular notifications.